So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my version of a Reese's peanut butter cup, aka it's a fat bomb. And fat bombs are pretty popular on the ketogenic diet, which is high fat, moderate amount of protein, and low carbs. Now, I usually incorporate the fat bombs into my diet when I'm trying to lower my body fat percentage. Usually during the year, I like to keep my body fat percentage anywhere from 18 to 20%. I find that that's the ideal body fat for me. But when my body fat goes above the 20%, then I try to lean it back out by having a high fat, low carb, moderate amount of protein in my diet. So today I'm going to show you how I make them. They are absolutely delicious. They are better than any Reese's peanut butter cup I have ever had in my life. I feel completely guiltless when I'm eating this, and I know that it really is good for my body. So let's get into the video.
Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cupcake liners and I'm going to line my cupcake tray with them. It really does make cleanup super, super easy. Next, I'm going to take my small bowl and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the cocoa powder. Cocoa powder really is a great alternative to milk chocolate. Next, I'm going to take 6 tablespoons of coconut oil and add it to the cocoa powder. Guys, coconut oil is a powerhouse. If you don't have it in your diet, you really need to check out all the benefits of coconut oil. It really is one of the healthiest fats you can add to your diet. Just going to mix the coconut oil and the cocoa powder together until it's a liquidy consistency. Then I'm going to set it to the side and start on the peanut butter mixture. Now I'm going to take my organic peanut butter and I'm going to take about 3/4 of a cup and I'm going to pour it into my larger bowl. Now that I've measured out my 3/4 cups peanut butter, I'm going to add it to the bowl. I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of coconut oil and then I'm going to mix it in really well. So now that I've mixed the coconut oil and peanut butter together, I'm going to add my sweetener. I like to use Whole Earth's erythritol. You can use any sweetener you choose, but I would caution you to use a sweetener that is healthy for you. I like this particular brand because it's sweet enough for me and it does not spike my blood sugar. I typically use 3 to 4 tablespoons in my recipe, but it's completely up to you. So just know the type of sweetener that you're going to use, and I would recommend tasting it to make sure that it's sweet enough for you. What I like most about these peanut butter cups is that they really do taste good and they're healthy for you. Given the fact that you're not using a milk chocolate, but you're using a cocoa powder and the coconut oil and a low calorie or 0 calorie sweetener. That just makes this recipe so, so delicious and so healthy for you. As long as you're not spiking your blood sugar, this is a treat that you don't have to feel guilty indulging in. Now that I've mixed in the sweetener really well, as you can see, the consistency is liquidy. Now I'm going to add the mixture to the cupcake liners. Now, what I like to do is I will take about 2 to 3 tablespoons to fill each of the liners. Sometimes I'll have a little bit more left over and I'll be able to make 7 cups instead of 6. Now I'm going to put these in the refrigerator and let them set for about an hour. Okay, so it's been about an hour now, and this is what the peanut butter cups look like. Okay, now I'm ready to add the chocolate topping. So I will take a tablespoon and add it to each of the cupcake liners. After I'm finished adding the chocolate topping, I will then allow it to sit before putting it in the refrigerator. I find that doing it this way helps for the tops to form smoothly. And here's what they look like now that I am done filling them, and I am just going to let them sit before putting them in the refrigerator. And here's the finished product. And as you can see, there is one missing. Yes, I did eat it. They are just that good.
Okay, guys, so that's it. Super simple recipe, no baking involved. And like I said at the beginning of the video, this is a treat that I like to incorporate into my diet anytime I'm trying to lower my body fat percentage. But really, it's a treat that anyone can use. If you're a diabetic or someone who loves to eat a lot of sugar, this is a great alternative to eating a lot of sugar. It definitely won't spike your blood sugar levels, so it's a great treat to add. Um, I guess the only drawback would be if you're allergic to peanuts, then this is not the recipe for you. But other than that, it's a great treat to incorporate into your diet. If you do decide to try this recipe, comment down below and let me know what sugar alternative you decided to use in your recipe. All right, so I hope you found this video useful, and please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.